All right, let's get into a pretty wild idea about the future of architecture. Way back in the 19th century, this author basically predicted we'd grow our food in labs. And, we're kind of getting there with lab-grown meat, but not everyone's on board.
But what if bioengineering's real future isn't about food, but our homes?
I mean, think about it. Our very first homes were biological, like tents from animal skins. It's even thought these early tents were inspired by stuff like giant mammoth skeletons.
So this gives us two big ideas: wearing a predator for its power or living inside a herd's protection.
So, what if we could use those same biological parts, but without harming any animals?
Yeah, imagine a house with roof tiles made from pangolin scales or siding from shark skin. But here's the catch. Those parts lose their coolest feature. They can't heal themselves anymore. So what's the solution? You bring the life source with the product. Make the house alive.
This living home would need its own systems, right? Metabolic, circulatory, the whole deal. Now just imagine living in it. You'd have windows that blink open and shut like eyelids. The walls could feel warm and fuzzy to the touch, kind of like a kitten. You could just curl up and nap in a built-in nook, sort of like a kangaroo's pouch. And get this, the whole house could actually move, migrating with the seasons. Okay, but this whole idea raises some huge questions. Like, how would we even talk to it? Would this living house be a partner, or would it just be a really complex smart home? And that's the core conflict. Is the house an independent agent, or just a protective arena? This whole thing really scales down to our own bodies. We're just living tents for our microbiome. Maybe our fears about tech aren't about the tech at all, but about ourselves. So what makes a home perfect? Is it the tech, or is it an act of mutual trust?